welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Noah Kahan here. He was with us recently, I believe it was on Wish Wednesday, that he happened to come up here on Growing Guitar, and this time we have a new song called The Great Divide. So let's go into this one. We have capo on fourth, the absolute best scenario for us, and with that we have 5 different chords. Okay, so let's start with the chords. We're gonna start with E minor. It's used in the intro and the middle play later on in the song. So E minor, it goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord is the G. We're going to use the G6 version. So we're focusing on the bass. So that goes third E, second A, and then just open strings down there. D, G, B, and high E. Open. All right, that's a G6. Next is A minor 7. That will be open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the C major 7. Very easy transition there from A minor to C major. So it goes third A, second D, open G, open B, open E. And finally we have the B minor, which is a bar chord. So you place your index finger on the second fret, you push down 5 strings there, all strings except from that last E string in the bass. You don't need that one, but then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. There you have it. So let's go into the strumming, and we can go for G. That is actually how the song starts in the verse. So grab that chord, and we're gonna look into the strumming, which is a 2-part. Okay, so one full round goes like this. Okay, so the first part is down, down, up, down, up. And notice what I'm doing here. I'm playing the first 2 downs. The first down on the bass, and the second down a little bit down here in the mid higher area. So they're kind of answering each other. So, and then I continue with up, down, up. And that is part 1. Part 2 is to play up, down, up, up, down, up. You just continue that up, down, up from the part 1, but another 2 times on part 2, and that's it. So that is part 2. So together it's down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And a couple of rounds. Alright, so let's go into the song. And I mentioned the intro, it starts with E minor. So we're gonna look into that first. We're gonna play E minor. Then we're gonna go into an F sharp note. I thought we don't need it as a chord, it's just a transition. You just hold on the second fret E string in the bass, and that's it. For these chords here in the intro, we're gonna focus on the bass play, okay? So E minor, then F sharp note, which is the second fret E string. Then you go to the G6 chord, and then you're gonna finish off with the C major 7, okay? That will be the chord progression. Now, how do we play it? Like this. So that means you're gonna play 2 downs on the first chords, the E minor, the F sharp, and the G6. So. And then you finish off with the C major and play 1 full round, both part 1 and part 2. Down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And that makes up for 1 round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds, so 1 full round goes like this. And then a second round. And that is intro. Now, into the verse, you're gonna play G6, part 1, that means down, down, up, down, up. Then the A minor 7, again, just part 1. And then you're gonna finish off with C major 7, 1 full round, both part 1 and part 2. You're gonna play that for 8 full rounds, okay? So I'm gonna give you a couple of rounds for that, 1 round slowly first, and then to speed up the standard tempo. Let's go. so 8 rounds of that, and that is the first verse. Now we're gonna reach the pre-chorus at 59 seconds in. You know, I, and so on. That's where we are on the lyrics. Think about you. Anyway, we're gonna play C major, 1 full round, G6, 1 full round, B minor, 1 full round, and back to C major, 1 full round. So it both starts and ends on the C major, and you're gonna play that for 2 full rounds, okay? 2 chord progression rounds. It goes like this. Second round. Yes, and that is the pre-chorus, and guess what? You just learned how to play the chorus as well, because it's played exactly in the same way. It starts about 1 minute and 23 seconds in. I hope you settle down. That's where on the lyrics. You're gonna play that for another 2 rounds, exactly the same as the pre-chorus play. After that, you're gonna start into a second round now, okay? But before that, you're gonna play that intro play, okay? So it plays in the same way as it started, the E minor, the F sharp, the G, and then finish off with the C major. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. Okay, so into the second round, you're gonna play again. The second verse played exactly the same way as the first one, 8 rounds of that G, A, and C. And then you're just gonna repeat that pre-chorus and chorus as well. And then you go into that second intro play after that second chorus, and you play it for only 1 round now, okay? Because after that comes the bridge part, about 3 minutes and 38 seconds in, I believe. What you're gonna play here is to alternate the B minor with the C major. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds. So B minor, 1 full round, C major, 1 full round times 4. And that's the bridge parts. Then you're going to jump back into the third chorus. You're going to play that, and then you're going to play the third intro play again, this instrumental part, and you're going to play that for 4 full rounds. Then after that, you're going to jump back and play the chorus for another 2 rounds, and you're just going to play that 1 down per chord. Use the chords, and 1 down per chord, and that, my friends, that is how it ends. Noah Kahan's The Great Divide. So thank you for watching. It was a great song, this one, and I felt, yeah, it could be nice to have that on chord guitar. Hope you felt that as well. See you soon, guys. Until next time, play tuned.